Hello guys, in today's video I will show you the best settings in Fortnite to get a better input delay and better FPS in your game. So the first thing, go to your settings. I personally have it Windows full screen this, but it's better to have your custom resolution to have a better delay. For example, this or this one, but I personally for this video have a window at full screen. Also frame rate set to what your monitor has hertz. So if you have 144 hertz monitor, put it on 144 FPS. Alright guys, the rendering mode, if you have an NVIDIA GPU, I personally have it right on legacy performance, but if you have an AMD GPU, put it on performance mode. It is better for FPS. Color blind, I have like this. The resolution 100%. Also this on low. And this put on. Not on plus boost, only on. The next thing you guys should have on is sound quality. Put it on low. And you will have a better input delay. Alright guys, and also this turned off, NVIDIA highlights also off, this all off, record replays also turn it off, all of this. Also the energy saving, also if you are on laptop, turn this off. And here on game UE, just copy these settings, all these settings, so exactly like this, and also turn the player service off. Also the recording turn off, and now you should have a better delay. Also this turn off, public game stats, and you should have a 0 delay. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Peace.